Imagine making money even while you're sleeping or spending time with your friends and family. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's what passive income is all about. Earning without having to work all the time. Whether you want to save up for a big trip, pay off debt, or just have some extra cash for emergencies, passive income can really give your savings a serious boost. Today, I'm going to share 10 passive income ideas that anyone can start, no matter your experience or budget. These ideas are easy to understand and practical, so you can get started quickly. If you like this kind of helpful content, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more tips like these. Now let's get right into it. 10. Rent out a room or property. If you have a spare room, a basement, or even an entire property, renting it out can bring in some steady extra cash. Platforms like Airbnb or VRBO make it super simple to list your space and find guests. You don't need to be a full-time landlord either. Even renting out a room for a few weekends each month can help you save. Plus, you get to meet new people and maybe even make some friends along the way. Just make sure to check local laws and rules about short-term rentals in your area before you start. Renting out property can be a great way to generate passive income because once set up, it mostly runs itself, especially if you use a cleaning service or property manager to handle the details. 9. Invest in dividend stocks. Buying dividend stocks means you own a small piece of a company and they pay you part of their profits regularly. It's like getting paid just for holding onto your shares. This is a popular way to build passive income because it requires little effort after you invest. You can choose well-established companies known for reliable dividends. The payments can be quarterly or even monthly, depending on the company. Keep in mind, investing in stocks carries risk, so it's a good idea to learn the basics or talk to a financial advisor before jumping in. But with some patience and smart choices, dividend stocks can really grow your savings over time. Wait, create and sell online courses. Are you good at something, like cooking, photography, or even fixing cars? You can turn that skill into a money-making course. There are websites like Udemy or Teachable where you can upload lessons and sell them to people who want to learn. After the course is made, you keep earning whenever someone signs up, without much extra work from you. Creating an online course takes some time up front, but once it's done, it can bring in money for years. Plus, it's a great way to share your knowledge and help others while making income. 7. Write an ebook. If you like writing, putting together an ebook is a smart way to earn passive income. You can write about topics you know well or stories you want to share. Once your ebook is published on platforms like Amazon Kindle, it's available to millions of readers worldwide. Every time someone buys your book, you earn royalties. The initial work is writing and formatting the book, but after that, the sales can continue on their own. With some marketing or sharing on social media, your book can reach even more people and increase your income. 6. Start a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is a popular way to build passive income, especially if you enjoy creating videos. Once you upload videos, they can keep attracting viewers and making money through ads, sponsorships, or merchandise sales. The key is to pick a topic you love and are consistent with posting content. At first, it might take some time to build your audience, but with patience, your videos will keep bringing in views long after you post them. It's also a fun way to connect with people and share what you care about, all while boosting your savings. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is when you lend money to other people or small businesses through online platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. In return, they pay you back with interest over time. This can be a good source of passive income because you earn more than what a regular savings account offers. The platforms usually handle the loan details and payments for you. Of course, there's some risk involved since borrowers might not always pay back. So it's smart to spread your money across multiple loans to reduce risk. But if done carefully, peer-to-peer lending can help grow your savings steadily. 4. Rent out your car. If your car just sits in the driveway most of the day, why not rent it out? Services like Turo let you list your vehicle for others to rent when you're not using it. This is a simple way to make extra cash without doing much work. You just set the availability and price, and when someone rents your car, you get paid. It's perfect for people who don't need their car all the time or have a second vehicle. Just be sure to check the insurance options and understand the rules before renting out your car. 3. Create a mobile app or website. If you have an idea for a helpful app or website, creating it can become a source of passive income. You don't have to be a coding expert anymore. There are many tools that make building apps or websites easier than ever. Once your app or site is live, you can make money through ads, subscriptions, or selling products. The work is mostly in setting it up and promoting it, but after that, it can generate income without much daily effort. It might sound complicated at first, but there are plenty of tutorials and guides online that can walk you through the process step by step. 2. High-yield savings accounts or CDs. For those who want a safe, simple option, high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, offer better interest rates than regular savings accounts. Deposit your money and the bank pays you interest over time. It's one of the most hands-off ways to earn passive income because you don't have to do anything after you put your money in. The returns might not be as high as some other ideas, but your money stays safe and grows steadily. Plus, you can access your funds when needed, especially with savings accounts. 1. Invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs. Last but definitely not least, REITs let you invest in real estate without buying physical property. These are companies that own or finance income-producing real estate, and they pay dividends to investors. REITs are traded on stock exchanges, so you can buy and sell them like regular stocks. This means you get the benefits of real estate income without the hassle of being a landlord. They often pay higher dividends than many stocks, making them a great option for steady passive income. Just like with stocks, it's a good idea to learn the basics before investing. And there you have it, 10 passive income ideas that can help you boost your savings starting today. Whether you want something simple like a high-yield savings account, or you're ready to create your own online course, there's an option for everyone. Remember, building passive income takes some effort up front, but the payoff is worth it. It's all about setting up smart ways to earn so your money works for you, not just the other way around. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who could use some extra cash, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on money and life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.